This how to 1 minute will show you how to disable widget blocks in WordPress. Restore classic widgets. To restore classic widgets in your WordPress site, follow these easy steps. As you can see right now, I'm in my widget page, and here we can see currently I'm using block widget. And to restore to classic widget, follow these easy steps. First of all, we will install a plugin. So come to plugin section and click on add new plugin. Click on the search plugins box and type here classic widget and search for it. And here you will get this plugin. Install and activate this classic widgets plugin. Once the plugin activated, now again hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And now, as you can see, I've successfully restored the classic widget. Now you can easily click on any widget, you can delete it, and you can also add another widget. This is how we can restore classic widget in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.